Alright, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Don't get twisted. My name is Bob Badem, so look at entertainment. I'm reporting live on the right in Verona City. And Papa got back. Papa got back. We're there for the enjoy. We're there for the well, we're right. We're there for this. You know, enjoy your money when you are young, man. No time for time out. You know what time it is? So we have different kind of champagne in the house, different kind of Vecchia Romagna, Conversia, Moetti. You know, anyone where you need, everything day, everything Jacques. Yes, so we are opening here live in the red on the 1st of June. You know, come one, come two, come enjoy yourself. Come enjoy a peaceful bar, Verona City, Corso Milano. You know what time it is, ladies and gentlemen. You know, yes, so on Saturday of it, you know, Saturday, DJ ICL live in the red, playing here in Papa Got Back. I'm seeing here the rest, what Badem saying, okay, entertainment. Papa got back, and I'm not up with no free. May I give her a chance? Okay, now, ladies and gentlemen, on Sunday of it, Superstar DJ Bright is playing here. Verona City, come and turn up, man. Come and enjoy yourself. Peaceful bar. Yeah, you know, anything when you want, everything day, everything yakba, slap, snail, you know, tilapia, different kind of food stuff, you know. Ukwabi, mama sauce, everything day. Goat meat, what's it?
Pepper soup.
Go come enjoy yourself, you know. We open our live on the right. 11 o'clock in the midnight, we are closing, man. You know what time it is, ladies and gentlemen. You don't see the time. So, ladies and gentlemen, don't get it twisted. Come and turn up for Papa Got Back. You can add your way on play. You know, Big Boy Association, Big Boy in Verona City. Yeah, don't get it twisted. Big Boy in Verona City, come and enjoy yourself. Whenever they enjoy. Now we did so Papa Got Back. Corso Milano. Yeah, live on the red. We don't open everything day. I don't even anymore Papa got in the man. On the 1st of June, anyone go man, not loud, not aware. Not those sessa, wesse. And I say, hustle, do you want to hear me a bit? Can I hear like a football? I wake up and I carpet young one. It's an atari like I get a lot of anyway. Now, loud, peaceful bar, Papa got back, and I hear me a bit. No enjoy. This can't see what I know, you know. I like you not tell it. 100 euro, yeah, fair. 70 euro, we don't know 100 card, but 70 euro promo. But there you are. And Vecchia the Romagna, 50 euro to know, but 40 card. And I go server. What to do? You know, Conversia, 50 card, now it's 40 card. Ladies and gentlemen, come with your babe, come and engage your babe. Birthday party, come and do your birthday party here. Everything is open, you know. Come and do your marriage ceremony, everything, anything concerning party.